Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to clear your Steam cache on iPhone. If your Steam mobile app on iPhone is acting glitchy or taking up too much space, then I've got you covered. First of all, open up Settings application from your iPhone, and from the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the General button. Inside General, click on iPhone Storage. Under iPhone Storage, look for Steam application from the list and tap on it. On the next page, tap on Offload App. Confirm Offload App once again by tapping Offload App at the bottom. Now wait for a few seconds. This will now offload your application. It will remove the app but keep its document and data intact, effectively clearing cached files. Now, tap on Reinstall App again. This will restore the app without the old cache, preserving your login and stored data. Now, once you are done, you can open up your Steam application, and that's the easiest way to clear Steam's cache on your iPhone without losing your settings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.